This is a quick tutorial for our new ACT question tool representing 5 digitized tests. It's instantly sortable by difficulty, curriculum fit, and teacher tags, then exportable to Google Drive, Sheets, or Slides for immediate use. English was built by Carolyn Kahns and Amy Zimmerman. It packs 3 category levels, 3 subcategories, and pinpoint skill tags. Click once to send the selection to Google Drive or Slides with the passage, questions, and answers lined up. For math, special thanks to Shelley Lindsay Pereira, Lauren Aguina, Kristen Logus, and Scott Covey. It delivers 9 categories, multiple tags, and 3 difficulty levels. Reading comes to us from Cindy Collier and Cheryl Kairos. It is sorted into 4 passage types, 3 question categories and skill tags, merged straight to Drive or Slides in seconds. Science comes to us from Candace Davenport, Nikki Collins, and Molly Grezik. It adds 3 ACT categories: data style, passage type, text heaviness, skill tags, and content area, perfect for lesson planning. On your first merge, that's the first time you use the tool, you will be prompted to authorize scripts. After that, just find what you need fast, ready to teach, print, or post on Schoology. Links on screen and in the description. Please email me with any questions.